Hello, you beautiful people, and welcome to Gardening Through the Window with your one-handed gardener, Rochelle. I just want to thank you for all of your support and encouragement on this channel. I hope to bring inspiration and new things for your garden, your small space on this journey. Come with me and see what I did this week.
Today is a sweet and bitter day because you will notice this pot. The plants are not really thriving in top. And I do not know what is this pot problem. The other pot you notice is flourishing, but I do not know what is wrong with this pot. They would grow, and when they get to a point, they will either turn brown or just stay that level. And this happens because this happened when they were eaten. So I don't know if the chemicals or whatever these animals left in the earth caused that to happen. I do not know, because something the same happened at the other pot, but that pot, the plants in there is still growing. And what is surprising in this pot, another parsley plant has just appeared this week. Where it comes from, no one knows, but it's growing. So this is the salad there, and is growing back. A new parsley. There's the parsley. Again, all the old plants, you have to break away, because the old parts that are turning yellow and brown will take away the nutrients for the new ones. So again, it's trying to grow back. This one that is starting to look a little yellow, but I clean around it and we will see. Look, the husband and wife, the husband had to go, and the wife here starting to look a little yellow, but in that week they had a child in the middle. Look, the child is here. So that's a new start. So again, and I was going to dig up all of these plants, but my daughter encouraged me to see what will happen. But today this lettuce is going down. It has to go because it was too long, and I know although it is producing a lot of leaves, these will be bitter. So it's really time to say bye-bye to this. Yeah, dig it out. I can hear the roots popping. That shows you see that it was in, but it's just not growing, although it's producing leaves. Yeah, this will be too bitter, but it's can smell it. You can really smell it. I'm thinking after eat one, I might wash one leaf and just taste it for you. Right. I tasted that lettuce. Nope, it was awful. And I will leave this pot as is. I'm not going to put anything else in until I really see how these plants will grow. If I have to dig them up, I will just send a picture and put it on my community tab, and then we will decide in a poll what else I should plant in this pot if it ever comes to that.
As we look at what is going on in the pots, let's look in the Word and see what the Lord has to tell us. Luke 8:14. And that which fell among thorns are they, which, when they have heard, go forth, and are choked with cares and riches and pleasures of this life, and bear no fruit to perfection. And isn't it fascinating? Plants will tell us a lot about our spiritual life, our walk with the Lord. We can plant a seed and water it to get it to grow. Then when it grows, pests, slugs, snails, aphids, everything could come and just damage the plant and stunt them. They will not be able to grow and they will wither away. So that is like us. We let the cares of the world bother us, or proud our mind that we cannot have anything about the Lord come into our spirit, come into our mind. So we have to be careful of the seeds we are planting and what foundation they are being planted on. So watch plants, they tell us a lot about ourselves. The first, forgive me for the shaking and unevenness of the video. I'm recording by myself. I'm trying to take this plant. As you can see, it is doing well. No problems. Only thing I can really say, this what plant is over this side is getting attacked by pests, because out here I have a lot of plants and fruit trees and everything, so out here you will get it more. So but as the pests are eating, we are eating too. So as I said, you leave these leaves whenever you want to eat, or some you just pop them off and put them in a dish as a salad or soup or whatever. We have been enjoying them. Build with the pests as well, as you can see there. Look, this one and this one, but it's okay. And all these black spots are just the earth that's hitting back on the leaves, because when it's raining, the earth, is so close, so it's going on them. This parsley we pick and eat, so that is good. This one will be picked today, the whole thing,
because this will be at the point of wanting to be bitter. It's not bitter, as we say, we're using the leaves, but now it's time to pull it up. It really fight and give us some these from it. So I'm very pleased with it, although it did not grow as bushy as I would want, but this just told me how a pot and environment and pests can be a hindrance to your crops if you're a thing, and it will teach me how best to plant it, how deep, how wide from other plants, or even plants that are the same will grow better in a pot. Today this will be harvested, and I might eat this tomorrow, and I will try to remember to at least record that. You know, I had said, oh, let me see, get this to bear with me, that these mysterious plants that just appear, one right there, but this one there died. Oh well, I didn't know what it is. I don't know what they are, but I'm still leaving them. This celery is growing good. Again, we pop them off or cut them off, pop it off, whichever, and more are coming. So you like plants are doing like that, coming over and over. I am pleased with my plants. So no, I am 50-50 with these plants. Please, some grow well, others are still struggling, and I will see and I will know what I can grow in a pot or in a small space, and what else I can't. And as I said before, when I have emptied these pots, I will see what else I can grow. I hope during this week I can buy the flowers that I had mentioned and the pots, so that I can start that adventure. So you see the plants for this week. Hopefully next week I have some more good surprises. And again, this is a test. Remember, this is a test to grow things in a pot. As I said, I never grow anything in a pot from so far from the earth, and especially through a window. Till I see you next time. This is your one half gardener. Bye.